This is my LG linear compressor. As you can see, it's an American fridge freezer from 2015, I believe. That's a while. Here is what's the model number? GSB325PVQV. This is a really nice appliance. There's even a plug behind there. This is a fast to be model. Very nice. I'm a huge fan of LG appliances. This one is no exception. Also how thick the plastic is on the down there. See that? See how big and thick the plastic is? So you've got express freeze. I'm not going to press. You've got freezer. And not a hard look for 35 seconds. So we'll now open the small compartment first, which is the freezer. This is inside the freezer. Yeah, Dad, I'm alright. Nice big compartments there. Like nice easy to pull out drawers. I really like this appliance. LG are fantastic. There's the I think it's inverter linear compressor. This is inside the fridge. GSB325PVQV. And even bigger out and these lights in this compartment, which I really like. We actually take better care of this fridge freezer than we do with the Hotpoint FUG942 over there. As you know, that machine is destroyed by liquid detergent. There's the blower, just there, pointing. Lovely fridge freezer. You've got fresh stone. Really nice. There's the other drawer. It's telling me it's time to close it now, so I'm going to close it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video of my LG GSB325PVQV American fridge freezer, which I really like. It's so much better than the other ones on the market at the moment. LG are a great brand. Talking of LG, we've got a few LG things in the house, such as this LG 4K TV. You guys want to tell about LG fanboy? Even our new 4K TV is an LG. And I'm a huge fan of anything LG. And this is a quality built appliance, which I don't think you'll get with many other fridge freezers in the market right now. Brilliant appliance, this. Now, before you end this video, I think CDA have got a bit better with the technology. Although CDA is still not the best brand out there. I'm not a huge fan of CDA. This one's quite nice. So yeah. Keep the fan going on. It's just one of those little mini USB fans that you get in there. But as you can see, that was the review of my LG GSB325PVQV American fridge freezer. That'll be it. Thanks for watching for now.